morning, class. Today we're going to do a lab over human traits and go over Mendelian genetics. So as we know, Mendel gave us the law of dominance. When one trait masks another trait, it is considered dominant. So when it's dominant, it hides the other one. It masks it, okay, because it's dominant, right? It's written with a capital letter, and I have an example like a capital A, okay? The masked trait is called recessive. This is the one that's hidden by the dominant trait. It's written in a lowercase, example, lowercase a. So some terms to review before we do our lab is genotype. It is the possible combination of traits found in a gene, like in your DNA. It's what's inside, right? And then phenotype, which is what we're going to be looking at, is the physical expression of a trait. It's what you see when you look at somebody. Like, do they have dark hair, light hair, blue eyes, green eyes? Just a few examples of what a phenotype is. And here's some more. Like an attached earlobe or a free earlobe. Like if you have the dangling ones, right? That's dominant. Or a straight thumb or a hitchhiker's thumb. I have a hitchhiker's thumb. It's kind of weird. A couple more terms to review are homozygous. It's when the traits are the same in a genotype, like in your DNA, like what I was saying. So an example is, I don't know why I keep doing that, I'm sorry guys. An example is like 2 capital A's, right, that example, or 2 small a's, okay? So this is homozygous dominant or homozygous recessive, okay? And then you have heterozygous. It's when both combinations are present in a genotype. And you have your example here where you have the big A and the little a. And it's how you get your genetics from your parents, right? It's you get one from mom, one from dad, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and look at our lab. All of you should have this on your desk. And what you're going to do is you're going to go through and you're going to list your genotype, like how we were talking about the attached earlobe, okay? If you have the attached earlobe, write 2 little e's. So you're just going to go through and look at each one. If you have any questions, you can definitely ask me. And I've got a few pictures here just to kind of give you an idea. Like we have Selma Hayek, look, with her unibrow. And then for homework, it shows you on this page. You're going to go home and you're going to look at your mom and your dad. You can go over with the pictures and show them. It would just be a fun activity that you could do at home with your parents. Kind of figure out your DNA, what you get from mom and what you get from dad. I think it's pretty fun. It could be, you know, good bonding time with the parents. So does anybody have any questions for me?
When's this due?
It's due tomorrow. So go home, hang out with mom and dad tonight.
Okay.
Okay? Sound good? Anybody else have any questions for me? No? Okay, so tomorrow, please have this done. It's something simple. Just take, 10, 15 minutes with the parents, and when you come in tomorrow, we're going to review all this, and we'll review for our test, okay? All right. Thank you, guys.